Hey, we're Michael and Abby.
Just two normal people who love to travel.
We think that life is meant to be lived, so we started out documenting ourselves, living life to the fullest.
Our hope is to inspire others to get out there and make more memories, no matter what they are. Aloha! On this travel series, we travel to Oahu for the first time. So what'd you get?
So I have Spam, eggs, and rice.
Oh my.
Only at McDonald's in Hawaii. I've never had Spam before, so kind of get all of it together. It's like a smorgasbord of flavoring. Oh, that's pretty good.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's not bad.
So we're at Hanauma Bay, little hiking trail right now.
But Koko Head's right there.
This trail up there, that's Koko Head. It said it was definitely like hard, and it's railroad ties all the way up there,
Yeah.
and they used to use that for like a little railroad car would go up and down and transport stuff up and down for the military. Yeah, I think that might be a little bit too advanced for us, so we're gonna do this one, which is moderate, so that one should be pretty good. Bathroom break before we get started here. And the little trash can is so cute. Look, it's a little trash panda. Making the world go, making the world go, making the world go round. Making the world go, making the world go, making the world go round. We don't need to tick to talk, or time to stop. With what we got, we keep going. With what we got, we keep going. And when the rhythm's up, we make a noise and break the waves, and we keep it flowing. Yeah, we keep it flowing, flowing. Making the world go, making the world go, making the world go round. Making the world go, making the world go, making the world go round. Making the world go, making the world go, making the world go round. Making the world go, making the world go, making the world go round. So everybody off your seat and on your feet. Feeling that beat and keep moving. Feeling that beat and keep moving. When you open up your heart, you hit and stop.
Well, that had a pretty good look, but this had a really good view, and we got some drone shots, like following us, and some picture shots like that. So it's pretty cool.
Jeez, this is like carrying a freaking baby up the hill.
Well, yeah, I'm a pack mule. The Koko Head trail we were gonna do, that's the railroad ties all the way up, that's it over there. So I mean, you probably can't tell in this video, but there's stairs that go all the way to the top of that. I mean, this was pretty steep as it was, so that's rated as a hard trail, moderate to hard. Anyways, we're going to get Abby's Malasadas. We made it back to Kuno. Now we made it back down to the bottom, but we're going to get pastries. I don't know what they are. Are they donuts or something?
Yes.
Okay. Malasada time! Woo! You excited?
Yes.
Alright, so this is the last thing that Abby had on her list.
On my food
on her
bucket list.
food list for here. So we're here now.
Oh my gosh. Holy cow.
Isn't that like
Those are huge.
Oh.
Those are freaking beautiful. So now we're gonna go eat them in a nice air-conditioned vehicle.
So what's the verdict?
Really good. Although I'll be honest, it kind of tastes like a sugar-covered Bob Evans roll, which is not necessarily a bad thing.
Did I get this one?
Yeah.
Oh, these are like hollow almost. It's so soft. Really good.
What's your thought?
They're fluffy.
I know. It's like very fluffy.
I'm caught in this moment. Hold on, don't let it slip away. Windows wide open. Clear skies, no chance of rain. And I can't imagine wanting more. It's something that I can't ignore. It's everything you're looking for.
isn't it? All right, so yeah, we're gonna hang out here a little bit. It's not gonna get any better. The only way to get used to it. Shadow? Yeah. Are you sure? I have too, absolutely. Yeah, for sure.
It's been like the best of both worlds. In the words of Hannah Montana.
Yeah, it's been really good. We got hiking, mountains, then the beach. It's been awesome. A lot of adventure here in Oahu. Chaka bra. Chaka bra! Okay, so we just finished up at the beach and we got an outdoor shower here at the place we stay in. That way we can just get all the sand and stuff before we track it in. Such an awesome place. This place is so sweet though. You getting it off, Sandy Cheeks?
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We'd really appreciate if you hit that like and subscribe if you haven't already.
And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and TikTok.
And we will see you on the next video.
On the next travel vlog, we go to our very first luau. A luau.